Let's learn some quartet guitar. It's gonna sound like this. Now, this is a traditional gospel quartet progression. It's actually a song called I'll Say Yes to My Lord. Now, you don't need to know that because gospel quartet is very similar to blues in that like one chord progression will actually work for a bunch of different songs, right? And so I'm just going to show you exactly what's happening for this song, and you'll be able to expand upon this and be like, oh, okay, cool. I got like a firm grip on quartet in general. Okay, so this song just starts off in F, and we hang on F for a bit. So notice an F dominant, F7. So I do this thing, that thing, like where I'm hammering onto that third. So it sounds like this. We're playing like an F dominant. We're just grooving. And then I'm going to play it slow for you. There's going to be no tabs. I really want you to get your ear moving and working because in church, nobody has tabs for you. In life, nobody has tabs for you. You can't pause the video, right, and go back. You know, life is just, we're moving forward. So use your ears. If you need to slow down the video, that's fine. But check this out. So that main movement that I'm playing is, and then I'm doing this. So all together, it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm playing it slow. Play along with me. And then what I'm doing is I'm walking up from F to B flat. I'm walking up to the 4. And if you don't know what that means, I have a video on the number system, so go check that out because you need to know the number system in gospel music. So I'm walking up to the 4. And we hang on the 4. And then to turn the whole thing around, I'm playing a 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, which is 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Okay? But the vibe of the thing is crazy. This like crazy altered chord. D altered. Woo, that's a little altered. There we go. C and then F. So and then I'm doing this little blues walk up. Hit that dominant, the C dominant chord where it's altered. So let's play it all together. I'll walk you through it. Play along with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lick. Lick. Walk up to the 4. Stay on the 4. And then 3, 6, 2, 5. 1. Bluesy thing. 5. Let's play it again together. 1. 1. Walk up. B flat, you know the 4 chord. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Okay? So that's basically it. You can do variations. And I'll show them to you in just a second. But you could do variations, but if you got that, like, you're sweet. You can get through a quartet song, no problem, or this congregational song, right? It's just really, really repetitive. And you can always stop on the one, you know, bring me out of darkness. And then you walk up. Always walk up. And then this little thing, you can also do it up here. So learning it in different positions is really, really important. But that line is like integral to gospel quartet. Okay? So let's play it a little slower together. And we can add some lines. We can add some embellishments, right? So let's play 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4 chord, I want to do something, add some embellishments. Like that. Little embellishments. On the 4 chord. So try this out. Try these chords and just really try to have fun with it. Be loose with it. It's very, very familiar stuff once you get used to it, right? It's just like blues 1, 4, 5. And again, if you don't know what that means, 1, 4, 5, check out the video I have on the number system. It will make everything more clear. Thank you so much for tuning into Soulful Guitar Lessons. I will see you all very soon.